everybody, welcome. Second video today, another nice and simple one. Let me show you what we're going to do. Pan au chocolat from Aldi, £2.15p. 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 6. Is that good value for money? I know, never had them before. And I'm also going to be doing all butter croissants. That was £2.15p as well. Both from Aldi. 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 6 of them and all. When we buy the croissants from Aldi, you just buy the ones in the packet that are already done. Just cut them open. Never had the frozen ones before. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do them in the air fryer anyway. So let's cut them open. Let's open them up and have a look. Right, let's open the normal croissant first then. Bon appetit. All butter croissants. Oh, 8. I thought I only counted 6. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, 8. Doping me. So we can read all the ingredients on there. We'll have a look. All the calories in there. 196 is that? Oh, it's getting worse, man. And there's the stuff. Do what you do. Cooking. So I'm going to do it in the air fryer anyway. So it's what, 18 to 20 minutes in the oven. So maybe 10 minutes, I suppose, or something. So there's them ones. Let's open them up. I mean, they're only tiny, but they should expand, shouldn't they? They're only small at the minute, but they should expand when they're cooking. They look quite nice. Can't really smell a lot, obviously, because they're frozen. And now, the pan au chocolat. 6 of them. What's that? 230 calories, is it? Per one. Then have a look at all that if you need to look at all that and do what you do. You know the score, don't you? So I'm 18 to 20 minutes, about 10 minutes I suppose. Let's open that one up. Get the one out. There it is. I don't know how much chocolate's in it because I a couple of bits. Right, I'm going to get them in the air fryer. Right, what I've done, I put some lining paper on a baking sheet. Because what I have noticed with air fryers, if you put something in frozen, it can stick. So on this, and then what I'm going to do is turn it over halfway through. So that's what I'm going to do. After about, I don't know, about 10 minutes, about 5 minutes, I'll turn them over. And we'll do the underneath. So let's get them in the air fryer. Right, open it up. Let's get them on the middle shelf, I think. Like so. 200 degrees. Air fry. And I'll check them after about 5. And then flip them over if they're bumped up and that. I don't know. We'll have a look anyway. Oh yes, look at them beauties. They're looking nice, aren't they? Oops, you see that? I'm going to flip them over. Yeah, see underneath, look. You can't see that, can you? Camera's too close. I'm going to flip them over anyway. It's good job I put that parchment on, because otherwise it would have stuck. And another few minutes on the upside down. Right, they're about done now. So I'm going to get them out. Right, pan au chocolat. And they look nice. I wasn't expecting to puff up that much, to be honest with you. But they are. And the croissants. Put them on there. They're a bit fragile. So what do we think? I think they look look nice, man, them. Especially them. Really crispy. And there's the croissant. Maybe could have been another minute underneath, maybe. But let's have a taste test and we'll see. So, and the smell, delicious, not just like a bakery. Smell gorgeous. They really do. So let's just have the croissant first. I ain't going to put no butter or nothing on, I'm just going to taste it like that. Yeah, I think could have maybe another minute or two underneath. Very crispy, flaky. Oh yes. Very buttery as well. I like them. That's the thumbs up from me on that one. Yeah, maybe another minute. Just for the underside a bit more. But they're gorgeous. £2.15 for them. And what's croissants now? Me buy a pack of 4 for what's a pack of 4 now? Them big uns. About £1.50, I suppose. So yeah, I suppose they're there if you fancy one for a snack. Keep in the freezer. So yeah, not too bad. No panel chocolat. Crispy again, flaky. Looking nice, chocolate's all the way through. And you can taste the chocolate as well, which is really nice. Oh yes. Oh yes. £100%. £2.15 as well. Would I buy them again? Yes, 100%. Could you make your own? Yeah, but all the faffing about you'd have to do to make your own of them. You might as well just buy them, mightn't you? Yeah, 100%. Do I like them? That's a thumbs up to me, Aldi. Well done. I do like them. And would I buy them again? Yeah, I would. I wouldn't buy them every day, obviously, but I'd buy them to put in the freezer as a snack. 100% I would. They're very chocolatey, very... you couldn't eat too many, because it's very overpowering, that chocolate, but they are nice. Really nice. For sweet tough. And I love them. So there you go, another simple one. I say I'm really busy this week with a lad. Bloody light. So I'll do what I can. What I can get up, I can get up. So until the next time, I am the old food guy. Kiss the like, kiss the subscribe. Bye bye.